Hey, what's up everybody? It's Landon with LMR.com. It's Dyno Day, my favorite day of the week, and I know it's your favorite day of the week as well. So before we get rolling, y'all go ahead and like the video if y'all appreciate our dyno content. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and make sure those notifications are turned on. That way you're notified every time we release something new. So the car we're dynoing today, this is Jared Farrell's 1989 Florida Highway Patrol Special Service Package, or SSP for short, Fox Body Mustang. Jared Farrell is one of our employees. He does a really good job for us, and like several of us here around the building, we all have some pretty cool stuff here in the garage, and this is one of his. We'll go ahead and talk about the modifications relative to the dyno. Start at the front of the car, we'll work our way towards the rear. So it's a stock bottom end 302 with an unknown camshaft, but just by listening to the car, we think it may be an alphabet or letter cam, whatever you want to call it, from Ford Racing. It does have a set of GT40P cylinder heads, trip flow track heat intake manifold, 75mm throttle body, 75mm mass air meter. It's a factory cold air kit, 24-pound injectors. The car does not have the AC compressor currently, and it does have a set of R Contour electric fans. So both of those things relative to the accessory drive, that's gonna help it make a little bit more power here on the chassis dyno. Bolted to the GT40P heads are a set of Ford Racing shorty headers, off-road mid-pipe, and an aftermarket catback exhaust. This car does have the T5 transmission, so our pull's being made in 4th gear, which is the 1-to-1 ratio, aluminum drive shaft, 410 rear gear, and that's a 225, 55, 16 rear tire. We have 93 octane fuel in the gas tank, and our timing is set at 14 degrees. So this little car here, it's ready to make a rip. We're gonna make a quick trip around the car, make sure we're good to go on our end, and it's go time. All right, people, so let's go ahead and take a look at some numbers for this 1989 Florida Highway Patrol car. It's pretty stout considering the modifications. It's making 257 horsepower and 294 pound-feet of torque. And thanks to that aftermarket camshaft and the intake manifold, you can see towards the end of the run and the RPM range how it's carrying real nice. And I've actually drove this car on the street, and with the 410 gears and the modifications, it's pretty darn peppy. It's neat to see this car still with the factory color scheme for a Florida Highway Patrol car. Obviously minus the decals, because you can't do that or you get in trouble. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Remember, like, subscribe, turn on notifications. We're gonna sign off for the day. So until we see you in the next one, y'all know what to do for all things Fox Body Mustang. Keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.